was recording, then I by accident pressed the stop recording, and then I can't find the file. So, this is my car, okay? And I'm trying to save it for, engine, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna put this here. Let's go. Whee! Boink. Oh my god, why am I going so fast? 100 miles? Dang. But the fuel's getting down real quick. We gotta go fast. Whoa. Oh. I'm dead. Great. I made $100. Did I just buy another engine for... Bruh. The launch button doesn't work. You have to jump in it. But what? This is insane. This just doesn't make any sense. All of these jumps don't make sense. $200. No, $100. Oh, okay. Well, let's go. Bruh. No, I'm going to die. Hell no. Got an engine. Yes. Smell fuel. Wait, I got a fuel tank. Okay then. Go. Whee! Oh my god. I don't know if a Quick Card will be good on the jumps. I don't think so. I can buy my new card. Yay. Buy. We got the card. Put an engine. Get the big fuel. We got 3 engine and 3 fuel. Wait a second. I can put it into the cart. Oh. Okay. Bro. Let's go. This doesn't make any sense. How do I not derail? Okay. What was that? Okay, I should not question that. V8 engine. I need that. I need a V8 engine. Or I need fuel tanks. Both of them. Yeah, but they'll take a lot of fuel. Who cares? Oh yeah, zombie's already lying there still. Perfect. We parked perfectly. When is restock? 1 minute. I gotta make it fast. Go, 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 go. Bro, slow. Well, nah, he's definitely faster. I'm catching up to him. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, perfect. We landed perfectly. Great. Go. But who cares? Let's just go. Perfect landing again. Land. I could get it. I got it in about like 3 seconds. Great. Put that there. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm nearly going like 1 billion miles. Oh, perfect landing again. I need to get big boy fuel. I'm in stock, okay. Got small fuel, at least. Wait. Return. I want to put the fuel canister in here. Yeah. You have a little bit more fuel. And damn. What? Oh my god. We are going fast. We are for sure going fast. What the fuck? What? Oh, what? I'm in the mines. I'm a gold miner. Where do we go? Okay, bye-bye. No zombie, please don't. If he touches me and dies, that would be great. Big fuel, I need big fuel or giant fuel. I'll save it for giant fuel when it comes in stock. Okay. I'm literally jumping on everything. Oh yeah, let's jump through that. Great. Oh yeah, zombies. No problem. Let's go there. Nah, there. It looks cooler. Aw. When does it do restock? Oh, I think it already did restock. Wait. 200 cash? It's not worth it. Let's go. I am going fast, but my fuel is out. I need to get a big boy fuel. I did that in about like 3 seconds. Oh? Hello, sir. I'd like your big engine, please. Or in the cart. Yeah, both of them. Whee! This is very fast. My cart is the fastest cart in the world. I don't know if there's a leaderboard, but I want to see if anything can top this. Like, definitely, though. I think so. Oh, yeah, let's go to that way. Yeah. Hello, zombies. Why you don't go forward? I want to kill you guys. Bro, I need fuel. I need big boy fuel. Did it restock? I don't think so. One cart. I bought it. Because carts are cool. Engine, let's go. Oh my god. I don't get this. I'm going to jump through that whole thing. Yep, like always. Oh, I derailed. I basically derailed. Oh yeah, let's go full and kill those zombies. Great, we already filled. So, is there big fuel? I made 300 bucks for just riding my cart and killing some zombies. Great, that's my new job. Let me put big boy. Okay, fuel good, speed good, everything good. I still don't know how are we going this fast. This is a tiny car with the V8 engine. Like, man, don't get it. Oh yeah, let's turn there and kill some zombies. Hello, zombies. I don't like you because you stink. Alright. What are we supposed to do? Put another engine. Yes. Perfect. Let's go. I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing like hell. That zombie is still laying there. He's in his nap. Oh my god, I hate when I slow down. I just gotta kill some zombies when that happens. Oh my god. No! No! My hotspot. Alright, what can we buy? Nothing in stock. Insane. Let's go. Oh, this is just insane. Like, bruh. Wee! Boink! We're going very fast. Bruh. Oh, we might do it. We might do. No! Welp. If you enjoyed that, leave a like or subscribe. I don't know, but I gotta go. Bye bye.